Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into 10 frugal living tips that actually work and will help you save money fast. In this fast-paced world, it's vital to take a step back and consider how we're spending our hard-earned money. And that's where frugality comes in. It's not about depriving ourselves of the good things in life, but rather making smart, mindful decisions that help us stretch our dollars further. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply want to build a more sustainable lifestyle, these tips can make a big difference. We've gathered proven strategies that real people have used to trim their expenses and boost their savings. From budgeting to meal prepping to thrift shopping and more. So buckle up and get ready. This is not just about saving money, it's about changing our habits and mindset for the better. Get ready to change your financial life in a positive way. If you are enjoying this content, and you don't want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Our first tip is all about budgeting. You see, budgeting isn't just a tool for corporations and governments, it's for everyone. It's like a roadmap guiding you through your financial journey. It helps you track your income and expenses, giving you a clear vision of where your money is going. When you know how much you're spending and on what, you'll start to see trends and patterns. These patterns are opportunities to cut back. Maybe you're spending a bit too much on takeout, or your morning coffee is costing you more than you realized. By identifying and understanding these areas, you can start making adjustments that will save you money. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making informed decisions so that you can spend your hard-earned money on things that truly matter to you. Remember, a budget is your financial compass. It points you in the right direction and helps you navigate through your financial world. Moving on to our second tip, meal prepping. This isn't just a trend you see on social media, it's a practical and proven way to save money. Imagine this. Instead of buying lunch every day, you prepare your meals for the entire week over the weekend. You're not only cutting costs on expensive takeouts, but also reducing food waste as you only buy what you need. Moreover, meal prepping is not just about saving money. It's also about living a healthier lifestyle. When you prepare your own meals, you control what goes into your food. You can choose fresh, wholesome ingredients over processed ones, making your meals healthier and tastier, but the benefits don't stop there. Meal prepping also saves you time during the week. No more last-minute cooking stress or unhealthy fast food options. You have your delicious homemade meals ready to go. So, start meal prepping and enjoy both health and wealth. Tip number 3 is thrift shopping. Let's dive into this underrated money-saving strategy. Thrift shopping is not just about saving money, it's about discovering hidden gems. With thrift shops, garage sales, and online platforms offering pre-loved items, you can unearth unique and vintage pieces that add character to your home or wardrobe. The beauty of thrift shopping is that it can be a fun, rewarding experience. You're not just buying items, you're hunting for treasures. It's like a treasure hunt where the prize is a bargain, and the best part? The savings can be significant. Consider this. A designer shirt that may cost you $100 at a retail store might be found at a thrift shop for a fraction of the price. And it's not just about clothes. You can find furniture, books, and even electronics. So the next time you need something, consider a thrift store. You might be surprised by what you find. Thrift shopping is truly a treasure hunt. Our fourth tip is to cancel unnecessary subscriptions. It's a simple yet effective strategy to save your hard-earned money. You'd be surprised how much we spend on things we don't even use or need. Many of us are guilty of having subscriptions that we've completely forgotten about. It could be the gym membership you haven't used in months, or the online streaming service you rarely watch. It's crucial to regularly review your monthly subscriptions. Go through your bank statement with a fine-tooth comb and identify those subscriptions that are silently draining your wallet. Are you still reading that magazine you subscribe to? Are you making the most out of your premium music streaming service? If the answer is no, then it's time to cancel them. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. So take a close look at your subscriptions and make the necessary cuts. Moving on to tip number 5, DIY projects. Now let's talk about how rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty can save you some serious cash. DIY projects, whether it's home repairs, crafting, or even making your own cleaning supplies, can often be a much more cost-effective alternative to buying new or hiring professionals. Not only does it save you money, but there's also the added bonus of learning new skills and the sense of accomplishment that comes with completing a project with your own two hands. It's quite the morale booster, wouldn't you say? The internet is brimming with tutorials and guides on how to do just about anything yourself. So instead of immediately running to the store or calling in a professional the next time something breaks or you need something new, why not see if it's something you can handle yourself? Get creative and start saving. Tip 6 is all about using public transportation. Now, before you dismiss this as inconvenient, let's take a moment to think about the potential savings. When you choose to ride the bus, the subway, or even a bike, you're not just saving on gas. You're also sparing yourself the cost of vehicle maintenance, parking fees, and the occasional traffic ticket. Imagine the money you can save on car insurance alone. Plus, there's the added bonus of reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. And let's not forget about the potential for productivity. Instead of focusing on the road, you could be reading a book, catching up on emails, or simply enjoying the scenery. Yes, it may take a little longer to reach your destination, but the financial benefits can make it all worth it. So consider public transportation for your daily commute. Our 7th tip is to be energy efficient. Now let's dive into how that can make a significant impact on your utility bills. The beauty of energy efficiency is that it's not about making drastic changes, but about making small, consistent adjustments. Think of it as a lifestyle change. It's as simple as switching off lights when you're not in a room, unplugging devices that aren't in use, or opting for energy-efficient appliances. Consider using LED bulbs instead of traditional ones. They last longer and consume less energy. And how about that thermostat? Lowering it by just a couple of degrees during winter, or raising it slightly in summer can lead to substantial savings over time. Investing in energy-efficient appliances might seem pricey up front, but they pay for themselves in the long run through the savings on your utility bills. So start making those small changes today. Remember, every watt counts. Tip 8 is to buy in bulk. Now, this might seem counterintuitive because when you buy in bulk, the upfront cost is usually higher. You might be thinking, wait, isn't this supposed to be about saving money? Well, yes, and that's exactly why we're talking about buying in bulk. You see, when you buy items in larger quantities, the cost per unit often goes down. This means that over time you end up spending less money on the things you need. For instance, imagine you're buying canned beans. A single can might cost you $1, but a pack of 12 cans might only cost you $10. That's a $2 saving right there. And it's not just about food. You can buy toiletries, cleaning supplies, and even clothing in bulk. The key is to focus on items that you use regularly, and that won't go bad. So think big, buy big, and save big. Our 9th tip is to look for free entertainment. Yes, you heard it right. Free entertainment can be a game changer when it comes to saving money. It's a common misconception that fun times always come with a hefty price tag, but that's not always the case. Let's think about it. There are countless ways to entertain yourself without spending a dime. For example, you can take a walk in the park, enjoy a beautiful sunset, or even have a picnic with your loved ones. The internet is also a treasure trove of free entertainment. From podcasts to online courses to digital books and movies, the options are virtually limitless. Local communities often host free events such as concerts, festivals, and art exhibits. All you need is to know where to look. Libraries, museums, and community centers are excellent places to start. In the end, it's all about being creative and resourceful. The more you embrace free entertainment, the more you'll realize that there's a world of fun out there that doesn't cost a thing. Remember, fun doesn't have to be expensive. Our final tip is automatic savings. This is a game changer for those who struggle to consistently save money each month. The concept is simple, but powerful. Automatic savings is the practice of having a predetermined amount of money transferred from your checking account to your savings account regularly, usually right after payday. It's like paying a bill, but this time you're paying your future self. The beauty of automatic savings is that it takes the decision-making and discipline out of the equation. Once you've set it up, it happens without you even having to think about it. It's an effortless way to build your savings over time. You can start small, maybe with just a tiny portion of your income, and gradually increase it as you get comfortable. Most banks offer this service for free, and it can usually be set up online in just a few minutes. So, why not give it a shot? Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. And that wraps up our 10 frugal living tips that actually work. We've journeyed from budgeting to meal prepping, thrift shopping, and canceling unnecessary subscriptions. We've explored the world of do-it-yourself projects, the benefits of using public transportation, and the significant savings that come with energy efficiency. We've also dipped our toes into the bulk buying pool, discovered the wonders of free entertainment, and the magic of automatic savings. Each of these tips, when implemented, can make a substantial difference to your financial health, helping you to save money fast. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but about making smarter decisions that will lead to long-term financial freedom. It's about understanding that every penny saved today is a step closer to a more secure and comfortable tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.